Today's video focuses on a vital replacement part for anyone maintaining a Komatsu excavator, especially the PC60-6 or PC60L-6 models. The monitor LCD display panel 7824-83-3000 is designed to restore clear performance information and bring back the original functionality of the dashboard. Machines in this category often stay in service for many years, and one of the first components to fail is the display. This upgraded panel solves that problem with modern clarity, smoother readouts, and dependable operation. One of the biggest improvements is how much easier it becomes to read the screen. On older excavator monitors, the text and indicators fade over time or develop dead zones that make it difficult to track engine stats and alerts. This updated panel brings everything back into sharp focus. The display is bright enough for outdoor use, even under direct sunlight, and the enhanced contrast keeps system notifications visible from different viewing angles. The construction quality is solid and built specifically for real-world job site conditions. It's engineered to withstand constant vibration, dirt, moisture, and the daily where that heavy machines endure. When installed, it sits firmly in place without rattling or loosening, which is important for long-term stability. Anyone relying on their excavator for continuous work will appreciate how reliable this panel remains across varied environments. In terms of installation, the process is simple and efficient. The panel matches the dimensions and connector layout of the original Komatsu display, making it a direct replacement. Once connected, it powers up accurately and synchronizes immediately with the machine's internal systems. There's no complicated calibration, no rewiring, and no software setup. Just a clean swap that returns the dashboard to proper working order. Visibility is improved thanks to updated backlighting. Machine operators often deal with low-light mornings, bright midday sun, or nighttime work conditions. This screen maintains readability across all lighting situations without glare or washout. Every reading, fuel usage, operational status, alerts, and error codes comes through with better clarity, helping reduce mistakes and boosting productivity. A major advantage of upgrading this panel is the renewed confidence it provides. Using a malfunctioning or dim screen affects daily workflow, slows down operations, and increases the chances of missing crucial warning signs. With this replacement monitor, everything becomes predictable and stable, allowing machine owners to extend the lifespan of their equipment while improving day-to-day efficiency. This monitor is ideal not only for excavator owners but also for repair technicians, equipment rental shops, and contractors who want dependable parts without the cost of full OEM replacements. The durability and accuracy make it a cost-effective investment for machines that still have years of work left. If you're maintaining a Komatsu PC60-6 or PC60L-6 and want to restore the dashboard to its original precision, this monitor LCD display panel 7824-83-3000 is one of the most practical upgrades available. It brings modern screen performance to older machines, enhances visibility, and ensures that essential data is always accessible. If you want to buy this monitor LCD display panel 7824-83-3000 for your Komatsu excavator, the purchase link is included in the description below.